So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can very easily kick a member from the server that you have been created or that you have been owning on the Discord. So you can do the same process from the smartphone application as well. The steps of this process is same. You just need to be logged into your Discord account either from the smartphone application for the Android or iOS device or the web version of Discord. You can also do that from there also. Or for example, if I open the Discord software on my Windows PC. Now when you open this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Now you have to first select the server. On the left side you're gonna see all the servers of which you are owning and if you of which you want to kick a person. For example, if I select this particular server, now to remove a person or to ban a person, you have to click on the button of you have to click on the name of the server on the left top corner. When you click there, you're going to find an option of settings, server settings. Just simply click there, and this is the server settings. And on the left window you need to scroll down until you find an option of members. You're going to see in the user management section it's an option named member. Just simply click there. Now here you're going to see all the members that are joined in this server, including you as well, and this crown indicates who are the owner of the server. Now if you want to remove a person, you must have to be the owner of the server. Now let us kick for example, if I want to kick this person, here on the three dots, you have to on the right side you're going to find the three dots. Just simply click there and you're going to see the option of ban and it's the username of that particular member. Once you hit that, the person has been removed as well as banned from the server, so that in the future they are not able to join the server again. If someone send them link or invitation links as well, they are completely banned from your server. So by this method you can easily ban a member from your server. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care.